Welcome to Life in Conversation. Common people, uncommon stories.
One day, returning on his way home from work in his company bus, this person does a calculation of money he earns per hour. He gets down from the bus and tells his friends, I am not coming to work from tomorrow. That is Sagar Pasalkar for you. A very calculated person, focused and devoted to his work. Sagar then decided to do business and work on some good profitable ventures like advertisement agency, event management services, handed over them to both his younger brothers and finally settle in investment planning profession. If you ask me, this was where he had to be. For the very reason he has that skills, vision and ethics need in this business. A diploma dropout who failed in his IRDA exams 2 times, finally with all his hard work, eagerness to acquire knowledge, skills to meet people, now he is one of the top producer in LIC Pune to being MDRT last 5 years and qualifying in the world's top 1% advisor. A person with a very unique canvassing style. He is a man of pen and paper. His client interview process is just a movie to watch. 2.5 hours in discussion, he is still talking about the client's professional goals, habits, issues, and problems, and the final 15 minutes climax is a solution presentation. Sagar is a social being, always there in all events, be in his school's get-together or other social events. Well, I call him happy-go-lucky. He has his own style of always being smiling and cool. No stress person. A Jeevan Shiromani king. You ask him how did you canvass and he starts the answer with kahi nahi zara gappa marat hoto and I suggested him. And then next 2 hours he can tell you step by step details of the discussion. That's his involvement. A person well organized be in office or home. Sagar has the credit of not only helping investors do proper investments but also making sure that their children get proper career guidance. A cold call master. He can just enter any office or shop and directly start talking to a person. That is the command on his business and presentation style. You will never see him carry any bag. He has a notepad and pen always. That is the only armory he carries. A die-hard sport lover and person very much focused on his fitness. A client base of 750 plus policyholders with an office setup of 2 staff at Bibewadi Junction. Sagar is a story of middle-class boy with his ambition of reaching the stars. I won't wish him good luck as he does not believe in it. In his own words, it's a hard work that makes a person. So I wish him a great future and also assure all his investors you are in very safe hands.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Life in Conversation. Common people, uncommon stories.